Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to put words in a sentence or a variable in a sentence, or how to print out all types of different things within Python. So if you're just getting started with Python and you're trying to really accelerate things, this is the right channel for you because I'm teaching you everything you need to know. And if you want to really accelerate things, I also have a boot camp. You can check out that link below. But let's go ahead and how to print in Python. Okay, and not print, just print. Like we all know that you can just say, hey, like, okay, this is how you print, right? Print, hey, this is how you print. Now, that's how you print in Python. You put print, dot, 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 boom, boom, boom. But what if you want to put words inside of this statement? So, for example, let's do a couple different examples here. First off, let me show you how this works. Okay, hey, this is how you print. But what if I wanted to say like name? So let's say the name equals Mike, and let's make it capital. Just like this. And then what if I wanted to say, hey, Mike, this is how you print? I would actually just go ahead and copy this over here, and then we'd use something called F literal. And all you have to do is you put an F right before the quotations, and then you can put these little curly brackets here like this, and you can put any variable in here, just like this. So now it should say, hey, name, this is how you print. Hey Mike, this is how you print. Now let's take this a little step further. Let's make a list of names. Let's say list, or let's call them names. Oh my goodness, I can't type this morning. Names equal Mike, Bob, and Tammy. How about? And let's go ahead and show an example here for how to print all of these. So let's say for n, and that could be any symbol right there in names, print F literal. So remember, F literal, putting an F before the statement will allow you to put any variable inside of there. So since I'm doing that, now I can print out anything like, hey, n. Remember, n, so this is a kind of an example of loops as well. N will turn into Mike the first time through, and then n will be Bob the second time through, and n will be Tammy the third time through. So, hey, n, welcome to the league. So this should go ahead, and remember from this example, if I put F in front of the sentence before the quotes, then if I use these curly brackets, I can put any variable that I set up here inside of here. Hey, blank, this is how you print. Now for this one, I made a list of names, Mike, Bob, and Tammy. And since I'm doing a loop, which, you know, if you don't know much about loops, you know, check out my other videos, check out the boot camp, but I'll make sure to teach that here on the YouTube as well. But for n in names, so how loops work is the names is the list, and n would just go Mike and turn n into Mike for the first time through. So it should print, hey, Mike, welcome to the league. And then the second time through, it should grab Bob, so it should say, hey, Bob, welcome to the league. And then the third time through, it should say, hey, Tammy, welcome to the league. And then, just to confirm, boom, I just printed it. Hey, Mike, welcome to the league. Hey, Bob, welcome to the league. Hey, Tammy, welcome to the league. So that is how you go ahead and you put variables inside of sentences. I really, really love using F literal because it helps me with debugging. It helps me with all types of things. Like if I'm saying a variable and my code is breaking, as many of you know, I'm an algo trader, so if my code breaks, I like to go ahead and put a bunch of print statements throughout the code, and I can just throw in with F literals, I can throw in the different variables I have throughout my code, and I can say, hey, I made it to line 52 where it printed blah, 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 or I made it to this variable where it did this or that. And then, being able to print with F literal really helps out, helps you just become a better coder faster. So that's all I got for you today. Go ahead and like and subscribe to see more videos like this. I always joke around saying coding is just being a professional Googler. So I really want to make sure to help as many people as possible learn how to code, because I really think it's the great equalizer. I think if you know how to code, you can do anything in the world and nobody can tell you anything. So if you're not expert yet at coding, go ahead and just follow me on this channel by liking, subscribing, and go ahead and check out the bootcamp. You can connect with me and I can teach you everything I know about coding. There is a link below. And other than that, I hope you already liked this video and have an amazing day. Bye.